Machine learning is one of the most transformative technologies of our era. At its core, it is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables systems to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Think of it as teaching a robot to think, not by programming every rule, but by feeding it examples and letting it figure out the logic on its own. There are four major paradigms in machine learning. The first is supervised learning. In this approach, the model is trained on labeled data, meaning each input comes paired with a correct output. The algorithm learns to map inputs to outputs by minimizing error over many examples. Common applications include image classification, spam detection, and medical diagnosis. It is the most widely used paradigm and the foundation many practitioners start with. The second paradigm is unsupervised learning. Here, the model receives data without any labels. Its job is to discover hidden structures, groupings, or patterns within the data on its own. Techniques like clustering and dimensionality reduction fall under this category. Think of a robot sorting thousands of objects it has never seen before, grouping them by similarity without being told what anything is. Third is semi-supervised learning. This approach sits between supervised and unsupervised methods. It uses a small amount of labeled data combined with a large amount of unlabeled data. The labeled examples guide the model, while the unlabeled data helps it generalize better. This is especially useful in real-world scenarios where labeling data is expensive or time-consuming, like annotating medical images or transcribing audio. Finally, we have reinforcement learning. This paradigm is inspired by behavioral psychology. An agent interacts with an environment, takes actions, and receives rewards or penalties based on outcomes. Over time, it learns a strategy that maximizes cumulative reward. This is the technology behind game-playing robots, autonomous vehicles, and robotic control systems. It is learning by doing, through trial and error. Together, these four paradigms form the backbone of modern machine learning. Whether a system is classifying images, clustering customer data, leveraging sparse labels, or navigating a complex environment, the right paradigm depends on the problem and the data available. Understanding these foundations is the first step toward building intelligent systems that can truly learn and adapt.